Of the morning, land of the morning, child with the sun returning, with fire burning, do our souls adore. Love pure and holy, cradle of noble heroes, never shall invaders trample the scared shore. Ever within the skies and through the clouds and over the hills and sea, do we behold the rage and feel and trouble, glorious liberty. Thy banner, their all our hearts, the sun and stars alight, on every shell each shining field, by the by beaten by tyrants' might, beautiful land of life, oh land of light, into embrace this rapture to light. By its glory ever we do our trial, for us the sons to suffer and die.